Are you ready for your close-up? Well, how about a close-up look at Los Angeles? Lights, camera, action. In this video, we'll head to Venice Beach, golden sands, vibrant street performers, and the iconic Venice Skate Park. We'll also hop on over to the Santa Monica Pier. Classic fun with an old-school amusement park and that iconic Ferris wheel. Let's not forget the Griffith Observatory. Killer views of the city and the stars. Speaking of the Hollywood sign, you gotta get a snap with this legendary landmark. And of course the Queen Mary, an iconic landmark you can't miss. This and much more await. So let's get right to our travel getaways. Los Angeles, a city where dreams are made, broken, and remade. From sun-drenched beaches to star-studded sidewalks, Los Angeles pulsates with relentless energy. It's a siren song for artists, actors, musicians, and dreamers of all kinds. But LA isn't just about chasing fame. It's about experiencing a kaleidoscope of cultures, a melting pot of cuisines, and a constant buzz of activity. Get ready to dive into a city that never sleeps. We're about to embark on a journey through the heart of Los Angeles, exploring its iconic landmarks and unearthing its hidden gems. Our adventure begins where the city meets the sea. Imagine the warm California sun on your face, the scent of salt air in your lungs, and the rhythmic crash of waves against the shore. This is Venice Beach, a vibrant tapestry of street performers, artists, and eccentrics. From the laid-back vibe of Venice, we'll cruise down boulevards lined with palm trees, past iconic landmarks like the Hollywood sign and the Griffith Observatory. We'll step back in time at the La Brea tar pits and marvel at the Space Shuttle Endeavour. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of this sprawling metropolis. From the beaches to the hills, the studios to the stadiums, Los Angeles is a city that never fails to captivate. So buckle up and get ready. Our journey through the City of Angels is about to begin. Our journey begins amidst bubbling tar pits, a testament to Los Angeles' ancient past. The La Brea tar pits hold secrets millions of years old. Imagine saber-toothed cats, mammoths, dire wolves, trapped in the sticky asphalt, their bones preserved for millennia. The Page Museum houses the skeletal remains of these prehistoric creatures, meticulously excavated and pieced together. It's a humbling experience staring into the eye sockets of a saber-toothed cat. Scientists continue to make discoveries here, uncovering new species and piecing together the ecological puzzle of the Pleistocene epoch. From the depths of prehistory, we'll journey to a place where humanity dares to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Our next stop, the Griffith Observatory, perched atop Mount Hollywood. As the sun begins its descent, we make our way to the Griffith Observatory. High above the twinkling cityscape, it stands as a monument to human curiosity. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a grand foyer, sunlight streaming through Art Deco windows. The observatory is a playground for the mind, filled with interactive exhibits, telescopes, and planetarium shows. Peer through a telescope and witness the craters of the Moon, the rings of Saturn, the swirling clouds of Jupiter. But the true magic of the Griffith Observatory reveals itself at night. As darkness descends, the dome opens, and the Zeiss telescope points towards the heavens. From the cosmic wonders of the observatory, our journey takes us to a different kind of marvel, the Space Shuttle Endeavour. Housed in a cavernous hangar at the California Science Center, the Space Shuttle Endeavour commands attention. This isn't just a museum exhibit, it's a retired veteran of space, a testament to human ambition. Standing beneath its massive frame, you can almost feel the heat of re-entry. Imagine the astronauts strapped into their seats, the thrill of liftoff, the silent majesty of space. Endeavour is a tangible reminder of our collective potential. The California Science Center offers more than just a glimpse into space exploration. Interactive exhibits delve into the science behind spaceflight and the challenges of living in zero gravity. From the prehistoric giants of the La Brea tar pits to the cosmic wonders of the Griffith Observatory, our journey through Los Angeles has just begun. From the depths of space, we land on the sandy shores of Venice Beach. The air thrums with the rhythmic beat of drums, the laughter of children, the scent of sunscreen and street food. This is where LA's bohemian spirit runs wild and free. Musicians strum guitars, artists hawk their wares, and fortune tellers promise glimpses of the future. Stroll along the boardwalk, past shops selling everything from tie-dye shirts to psychic readings. Watch skateboarders defy gravity at the skate park. Venice Beach is a celebration of individuality, but just steps away lies another Venice landmark, Muscle Beach. The clang of iron against iron, the grunts of exertion, the scent of sweat and determination. This is Muscle Beach, a legendary outdoor gym where fitness fanatics have been pumping iron since the 1930s. Here, bodies are sculpted, limits are pushed, and legends are made. Watch in awe as bodybuilders lift weights that seem to defy gravity. Muscle Beach isn't just a gym, it's a shrine to physical culture. From the iron paradise of Muscle Beach, we'll continue our journey north along the Pacific Coast Highway to the Santa Monica Pier. The sun dips towards the horizon as we arrive at the Santa Monica Pier. This beloved landmark is a timeless symbol of LA's carefree spirit. The air crackles with excitement, the scent of popcorn and cotton candy mingles with the salty tang of the ocean. The iconic Ferris wheel offers breathtaking views of the coastline. Try your luck at carnival games, testing your skill and challenging your friends. The Santa Monica Pier is a place where memories are made. As the last rays of sunlight fade, it's easy to see why this is one of LA's most beloved destinations. From the sun-drenched beaches, we head towards Beverly Hills. Our destination, Rodeo Drive, synonymous with opulence and extravagance. Imagine strolling past glittering storefronts, each one a temple to high fashion. Names like Gucci, Prada, Chanel, and Versace beckon from behind pristine glass windows. This is where Hollywood's elite come to indulge. Even if your budget doesn't stretch to a diamond-encrusted watch, a walk down Rodeo Drive is an experience in itself. Admire the impeccably dressed shoppers and soak up the ambiance of pure indulgence. From the high-octane glamour of Rodeo Drive, we'll trade designer labels for team colors as we venture into the heart of LA's sports scene. Los Angeles isn't just about the silver screen, it's a city that lives and breathes sports. Our next stop takes us to two iconic stadiums. First up, SoFi Stadium, home to the LA Rams and the LA Chargers. Imagine the energy of game day as thousands of fans stream through the gates. SoFi Stadium is more than just a football stadium, it's a state-of-the-art entertainment complex. Next, we'll head north to Chavez Ravine, home of the legendary Dodger Stadium. This iconic ballpark has been a symbol of LA baseball for generations. From the gridiron to the baseball diamond, Los Angeles offers a sporting experience like no other. No trip to Los Angeles is complete without paying homage to the iconic Hollywood sign. Perched high atop Mount Lee, its 45-foot-tall letters have become synonymous with the entertainment industry. As you gaze upon this landmark, imagine the countless hopefuls who have journeyed to this city with stars in their eyes. The sign has witnessed it all: the golden age of Hollywood, the rise of television, and the birth of blockbuster movies. While you can't get up close with the sign itself, there are plenty of hiking trails in Griffith Park that offer breathtaking views. The sign is more than just a landmark, it's a symbol of ambition and creativity. It's a reminder that in Los Angeles, anything is possible if you dare to dream big. From the sign that beckons on the hilltop, we'll delve into the heart of the entertainment industry, exploring the studios, theaters, and Walk of Fame that have made this city a legend. The Hollywood sign beckons from the hills, a silent sentinel watching over the city it represents. The real magic of Hollywood unfolds on sound stages and backlots, behind studio gates and within soundproof walls. We're going behind the scenes, venturing into the world of movie making, where dreams are crafted frame by frame. Our first stop, a major Hollywood studio. Imagine stepping onto a backlot, a sprawling city within a city. Here, history comes alive, westerns are filmed, and futuristic worlds are built. You might even stumble upon a film shoot in progress, watching as directors orchestrate the action. The studio tour isn't just about witnessing the present, it's about stepping back in time. Imagine standing on the very spot where Humphrey Bogart delivered his iconic lines in Casablanca, or where Marilyn Monroe stood over a subway grate, her white dress billowing in the breeze. The studio backlot is a treasure trove of cinematic history. It's a reminder that Hollywood is more than just a place, it's a factory of dreams. From the studio backlots, we'll journey to a place where those dreams are immortalized, the TCL Chinese Theater. The air crackles with anticipation as we approach the TCL Chinese Theater, a Hollywood landmark steeped in cinematic history. Its ornate facade, inspired by Chinese architecture, has graced countless movie premieres, its red carpet walked by legends and rising stars alike. But the real draw lies in the theater's forecourt, a concrete canvas where Hollywood's biggest names have literally left their mark. Imagine placing your hand in the handprint of Marilyn Monroe, feeling the imprint of her presence across time. Compare your shoe size to John Wayne's, marvel at the delicate handprints of Audrey Hepburn, or try to decipher the signature of Clark Gable. Each handprint, footprint, and signature tells a story, a testament to a career, a moment frozen in time. The forecourt of the TCL Chinese Theater is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a pilgrimage site for movie lovers, a place to connect with the legends of the silver screen on a tangible level. It's a reminder that Hollywood is built on legacy, on the shoulders of the giants who came before, their names forever etched in the heart of this entertainment mecca. But our journey through Hollywood's Walk of Fame isn't over yet. From the footprints of legends, we'll embark on a star-studded stroll down Hollywood Boulevard. Get ready to be dazzled. The sun beats down on Hollywood Boulevard, illuminating the sidewalk's most famous feature, the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Over 2,700 stars honor legends from film, television, music, radio, and theater. It's a dazzling tribute to the entertainment industry. As you stroll, take your time. Look down, read the names, and let the memories wash over you. Spot your favorite actors, directors, musicians, and comedians. Hollywood is where dreams are made and talent is celebrated. Leaving the glitz and glamour of Hollywood behind, we venture into a different world, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and aromas. Welcome to Chinatown, Los Angeles, a historic neighborhood where East meets West, and tradition blends seamlessly with modern life. The moment you step onto the streets of Chinatown, you're greeted by a sensory overload. Red lanterns sway gently in the breeze, their vibrant hues casting a warm glow on the bustling sidewalks below. The air hums with a symphony of sounds, the clatter of mahjong tiles, the sizzle of stir-fries, the melodic strains of traditional Chinese music. Wander through bustling markets piled high with exotic fruits, vegetables, and spices. Duck into dim sum restaurants where steaming baskets of dumplings and buns promise a culinary adventure. Admire the intricate architecture of temples and pagodas, their ornate details a testament to centuries-old craftsmanship. Chinatown is a feast for the senses, a place to sample authentic Chinese cuisine, browse unique shops filled with treasures, and immerse yourself in a rich cultural heritage. It's a reminder that Los Angeles is a city of endless diversity, a place where cultures from around the world converge and thrive. From the vibrant streets of Chinatown, we'll journey south to the coastal city of Long Beach, where a different kind of adventure awaits. The salty tang of the ocean air welcomes us to Long Beach, a vibrant coastal city located just south of Los Angeles. With its bustling waterfront, world-class aquarium, and historic ocean liner, Long Beach offers a perfect blend of urban excitement and seaside charm. Our first stop, the Aquarium of the Pacific, home to over 11,000 ocean animals representing the diverse ecosystems of the Pacific Ocean. Imagine coming face to face with playful sea otters, marveling at the graceful movements of sharks and rays, and witnessing the vibrant colors of coral reefs teeming with life. The Aquarium of the Pacific isn't just a place to observe marine life, it's a center for ocean education and conservation, inspiring visitors of all ages to learn about and protect our planet's precious aquatic ecosystems. From interactive exhibits to behind-the-scenes tours, there's something for everyone at this Long Beach gem. But no trip to Long Beach would be complete without a visit to its most iconic resident, a grand dame of the sea docked permanently in the harbor, the Queen Mary. Get ready for a ghostly voyage through time. As the sun sets, we approach the Queen Mary, a majestic ocean liner that once ruled the seas. Now docked in Long Beach, the Queen Mary offers a glimpse into a bygone era of transatlantic travel. Step aboard and step back in time. Imagine elegant passengers in Art Deco lounges and grand ballrooms. Explore the Queen Mary's restored staterooms, dining rooms, and engine rooms. The Queen Mary is also known for its ghostly encounters and paranormal phenomena. As the ship's lights twinkle, imagine the ghosts of passengers past still roaming the decks. Los Angeles. It's more than just a city, it's a state of mind, a place where dreams are chased, ambitions are realized, and reinvention is a way of life. We've journeyed from the sun-drenched beaches to the star-studded sidewalks, from the heights of the Griffith Observatory to the depths of the La Brea tar pits. We've explored museums, marveled at architectural wonders, and immersed ourselves in the city's unique cultural tapestry. But our journey is just a taste, a glimpse into the kaleidoscope of experiences that Los Angeles offers. This city is constantly evolving, reinventing itself with each passing day. It's a place where you can be anyone you want to be, do anything you set your mind to. It's a city that pulses with a relentless energy, a rhythm that gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've left. So what are you waiting for? Book that flight, pack your bags, and come experience the magic of Los Angeles for yourself. Our journey through Los Angeles may be coming to an end, but the spirit of adventure doesn't have to stop here. There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored, from bustling cities to remote islands, from snow-capped mountains to sun-drenched beaches. Here at Travel Getaways, we're passionate about sharing the world's most incredible destinations, uncovering hidden gems, and inspiring you to embrace the thrill of discovery. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion, or simply a change of scenery, we've got you covered. So don't let the journey end here. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We've got a whole lineup of exciting getaways, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of Oahu, from the ancient streets of Tangier to the vibrant culture of Tokyo. The world is your oyster, and we're here to help you explore it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Los Angeles. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the City of Angels with us, discovering its hidden gems, and experiencing its unique energy. Remember, adventure is out there waiting for you every single day. So get out there, explore, discover, and make memories that will last a lifetime. And don't forget to share your adventures with us. We love hearing from our viewers. Until next time, enjoy your travel getaways, and happy travels.